English Learning Network.
The book is on the table. The book is on the table. The cat is under the bed. The cat is under the bed. She is sitting next to her friend. She is sitting next to her friend. The picture is above the sofa. The picture is above the sofa. The keys are in the drawer. The keys are in the drawer. He is hiding behind the curtain. He is hiding behind the curtain. The park is opposite the library. The park is opposite the library. The clock is between the two windows. The clock is between the two windows. The chair is in front of the desk. The chair is in front of the desk. The meeting is at 10 a.m. The meeting is at 10 a.m. The shoes are near the door. The shoes are near the door. She was born on a Monday. She was born on a Monday. They will visit us in December. They will visit us in December. The project is due by Friday. The project is due by Friday. He works during the summer. He works during the summer. I haven't seen her since last year. I haven't seen her since last year. The event starts after lunch. The event starts after lunch. Let's meet before the movie. Let's meet before the movie. We stayed up until midnight. We stayed up until midnight. She arrived on time for the party. She arrived on time for the party. He is going to the park. He is going to the park. The dog jumped over the fence. The dog jumped over the fence. They walked across the bridge. They walked across the bridge. The kids ran into the room. The kids ran into the room. She moved towards the door. She moved towards the door. The ball rolled under the table. The ball rolled under the table. The plane flew above the clouds. The plane flew above the clouds. He ran through the tunnel. He ran through the tunnel. She went out of the house. She went out of the house. They canceled the event because of the rain. They canceled the event because of the rain. We are here for the celebration. We are here for the celebration. He succeeded through hard work. He succeeded through hard work. She did it out of kindness. She did it out of kindness. They protested against the decision. They protested against the decision. He is good at math. He is good at math. She is interested in painting. She is interested in painting. We are worried about the exam. We are worried about the exam. He is tired of working late. He is tired of working late. They are famous for their hospitality. They are famous for their hospitality. She is standing by the door. She is standing by the door. He came with a gift. He came with a gift. The book is written about history. The book is written about history. She is waiting for the bus. She is waiting for the bus. She is speaking on behalf of the team. She is speaking on behalf of the team. The food smells like garlic. The food smells like garlic. She is known as a talented artist. She is known as a talented artist. They were talking about the project. They were talking about the project. He agreed with her opinion. He agreed with her opinion. She ran out of sugar. She ran out of sugar.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.